Hi, I'm Miles Trotter, and welcome to another installment of the Hero's Journey here in Hokkaido, Japan. And today I'm going to talk about values, about making values-based choices as part of your hero's journey. See, look, how do we normally make choices? We weigh up the pros and the cons, and the thing that weighs the most, well, that's the thing we tend to choose. But then sometimes we go, I don't really want to choose that. I feel something else is more important. So we get really conflicted by emotion, by logic, by rationale. And you know what? That's a crap way of making choices. Let me tell you about this trip, okay? Going to Japan. So I haven't been skiing for 12 years. I've been living in Western Australia, telling myself, oh, your skiing days are over. You live too far away from skiing. You don't want to go to Japan by yourself because no one you know wants to go backcountry skiing, and that's all I really like to do. And you know, it's too expensive, and it's this and it's that, and I've got other holiday plans, and I just been talking myself out of going skiing, the thing like I really love the most. Like, how stupid is that? So a few months ago, I had this conversation with my wife. I said, look, I really want to go skiing. And she says, Miles, what do your values say? I say, well, darling, one of my values is adventure, isn't it? Right? I really do value adventure. She said, yeah, we both value adventure. That's why we moved to Australia. So is there anything your values about convenience, saving money, fear, talking yourself out of having fun? Is that in your values? No, it's not, darling. She says, but adventure is in your values, right? Yes. So I searched for a trip and signed up, and here I am. You know, and I had second thoughts the whole time. You know, like, oh, what a stupid idea. What am I doing? I haven't been skiing for 12 years. How am I going to get fit for this backcountry thing? It's a lot of work. You're climbing hundreds and hundreds of meters every day. You know, it's hard. Anyway, I talked myself out of all that rubbish and just made a values-based choice, and here I am. And I'm so glad, you know. I'm so glad. And that might seem like a really trivial thing, you know. Oh, just a ski trip for some, you know, rich white guy with money in Western Australia. It is very consequential, though, to do the things that really are important to you according to your values, whether it's a career decision, a relationship decision. You know, what are you going to choose between your job and your kids, between money and your relationship? What are you going to choose, you know? These are the values-based choices that we're faced with every day. We often don't go to our values to make those choices. So my advice to you on your hero's journey is to get clear about your values, because that is your main secret weapon to get through all the hardships that confront you now and will confront you, because it's really important to have this framework that you can bring to life. I hope this has been useful, and see you on the next installment of the Hero's Journey.